What is up, Money Sausages? It is the Money Sausage. Have you ever wondered what is an index fund and why is it the best investment strategy for a beginner investor? Well, an index fund is pretty much a soup. It is made up of a bunch of different stocks or components that make up one package stock that you can buy into. So if you buy into the S&P 500, you're buying into the 500 biggest and most productive stocks that are available in the US market. You're getting a mass diversification just by buying one stock. You're buying stocks that are in the technology market. You're buying into stocks that are in the oil market, the gas market, the fine metals, so steel, platinum, gold, silver, development, medicine, whatever you can think of. There's stocks that are represented in the S&P 500. So when you buy into an index fund, you are getting immediate diversification. So if you want to make sure that you're not getting hit by every tick and downturn that the stock market has, the best way to avoid that is to be diversified. And the easiest way to diversify, instead of buying a single stock here, a single stock there, a single stock here, and then a single stock there, it's just to buy an index fund that has all those stocks put in together and all the different markets are representative. But some index funds are market-specific funds. So like you can buy a bond index fund and it is made up of only bonds. It's a good way to buy into and still get diversified in a single market. If you buy into an index fund, yes, you have the diversification, but you also have an amazing hedge against inflation. Because most index funds, you see whatever inflation is for the year with about a 7% growth on top of it every single year. So let's say inflation was 4% for 1 year. You get 4% for the inflation, but then you also get 7% on top of it, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So you get 11% return on your investment. That is it for today's video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below. It is Money Sausage signing out. See ya!